Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to log into your Octa trading account either through the mobile app or web quickly and securely. So let's jump in. First, open the Octa website or launch the Octa mobile trading app on your phone. Now on the homepage or app launch screen, you will see two options, either to sign up, to log in. If you don't already have an account, simply tap sign up. But for this video, we are trying to log in, so tap the login button. Now tap continue with email. You can also log in with your Facebook or Google if you registered that way. Now enter your email address and the password you created while registering your account. If you cannot remember your password, simply tap forgot password to retrieve it via email. Now tap login. As you can see, a verification code has been sent to my mailbox. Let me check that real quick. And tap submit. And that's how to successfully log into your Octa trading account. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.